Perry. Oh yeah, good one.
Stay back. You guys stay back, Bubba. Uncle Gavin's down there. Right there, see him? He's coming. That's Uncle. I don't know who this one is. Uncle Gavin's over there by Daddy. Right.
Hold up, hold up.
Yep, right there.
Hold up. I think we got our 5 out of that class. Hey, give him a nice round of applause.
718.
Oh, wait. We might not be done. We might just be stopped for a second. Hang on, keep your cars on the track till we get the official from the official from the official, okay?
What, Uncle Gavin?
Yeah.
Uncle Gavin's over there. 718 is Uncle Gavin's. Uncle Mason's right there. They're looking in Uncle Mason's car.
Hang on, Andrew. Not sure we're done. Jake's going to tell us here.
Back up, buddy.
Okay.
You gotta wait for Daddy.
You was doing good, Kofel. Way to hammer him. Might have a fuel leak here. He come out to play, fellas and ladies and gentlemen. Kofel's been helping here, bringing in cars.
Uncle Mason's got a fuel leak. There's Daddy coming
They'll
up.
get it sorted out. Again, folks, some of these cars will be back
Stay
for the
right
concy.
here.
Some
They
from
wanted to
last
stay
night
on
can
this
come
side
back
for
the
now to
concy.
watch you and then
We'll
go
be taking
over.
a 15-minute break once we determine this class is over.
I don't know.
And then we will be back for the concy, or
Came out
the
of the-
concy is correct.
They-
Then we'll do the hard cars and their big cars. Call your friends and neighbors. Tell them to come down. Been a while since we've had them on this track.
Well, is that the 5 then or not? Stay back, Bubby. You can't be past the pole. You're not allowed past this pole.
My whole battery popped out.
Do you have it chained in or something?
Yeah.
I guess that's it.
Are we down to the 5?